Hello and welcome to my video, lesson 2.4, Orthographic Drawings. So here we have an isometric drawing, which means that it shows three sides at once. So the most basic one, I'm going to always draw the most basic one, is that you can have a cube and you can show three sides. So you can imagine this is the top of the cube, this is the front of the cube, and this is the side of the cube. You can't see more than that. You can only see three sides at once. It's kind of like if you take a picture at an angle, what do you see? Okay, so that's isometric. Let's highlight that. Now, what about orthographic? Well, orthographic shows one side at a time, and you see all three sides, but one side at a time. So front, top, side. So I'm really bad at drawing. I tried to draw these ahead of time, but hopefully you get the picture. If you were looking top down on here, what would it look like? Well, my hope was that this is what it would look like. If you're looking side, sorry, that was front. Sorry, front. That's looking at this way. See how bad I am? I don't even remember what I did. Okay, front side like that. Actually, let's keep those arrows there in the colors so that you guys can see. Whereas this one here is top down, so that's looking at it that way. And side, I actually had a picture. I was able to find a picture of this one, which looks kind of like this. So all of your angles are going to look kind of different. I think the top down one would see these slats very, very narrowly. But this part would be very fat, so you'd have to be, watching out for that. Okay, so that's orthographic. Now, last but not least, well, kind of least, but anyways, exploded view. It's usually a diagram in pieces of some sort of design or whatever it could possibly be, just to show you the internals, to see how things fit together or how they work. So this is the exploded view of that same chair above. Alright, here's a question for us to try. Change this shape into an orthographic drawing. So always, like in all my videos, if you want to pause it right now so you can try it out ahead of time, that would be great. You can try it and then I will do it up here. So pause it right now. Okay, so hopefully you tried it out. Now I'm going to draw it. So imagine you're looking at this shape from top down. What are you going to see? Well, you're going to see a big fat part. That's this part here. Then you're going to see a more skinny part. That's this part here. Then you're going to see a little chunky. It's this part here. And then you're going to see another chunky out here like that. Wow, that was terrible. The thing is, you're not going to see all the gaps in between. So I'm going to trace around so that I can erase all the gaps in between. Oh, that did not work at all. Not even a little bit. There you go. Top down. Gorgeous. Okay, so that's our top down view. What about if we see it from the front? Now this side is labeled front, so that's important that you follow whatever labels are on the picture. Okay, front side. So front side, what we're going to see is this outline right here. What you notice is that I included this bottom part here because you see it right over here. So from that side, you'll just see past and it'll perfectly work out. Oh, this actually looks pretty nice. Okay, anyways, so our front side will look like this. Hopefully that's clear enough. Clear as mud, as they say. Yeah, I can't draw it from this side. I was just thinking I could try to draw it. Well, I guess that kind of shows it a little bit. And now from our side angle, what we would see if we were looking at from this side is we'd see this and we'd see this. So all we would see is a rectangle. Let's try to draw that a little bit nicer than what I was doing. There you go. I hope this video helps you understand that a little bit better. I know that was kind of, it's kind of strange, but the idea is there. And my drawings are never great, but the idea is there. And that's all I will look for in your drawings as well. I promise. I hope this video helps you understand orthographic drawings a little bit better. Good luck.